So guys, as you know, Beyblade UX is on the way, and yeah, Beyblade X is going to end very soon. So here's my all Beyblade X Beyblade collection. Look at that, Beyblade X cardboard Beyblade, and I would like to share all these Beyblades with you all. So let's just quickly show you that. Here you go. Oh, come on, Rhino Horn. Okay, here's my all Beyblade X Beyblades, guys. Look at that. So hey, what's up, guys? So here it is, guys. Here's my all Beyblade. Okay, anyway. So here it is, guys. Here's my all Beyblade X Beyblade collection. I don't know if I have missed any Beyblade or not, but here it is, guys. Look at that. Here's all the Beyblade X Beyblades. So first we have Dron Dagger. Here it is, guys. Look at that. Okay, let's just keep it here. Let's just quickly take my first ever Beyblade X Beyblade, and that is Bronze Sword. Just look at that, guys. This was my first ever Beyblade X Beyblade that I had crafted, and yeah, guys, you can clearly see back then I was not that much professional. Very cringy look, but yeah, really tried my best to make this Beyblade as much accurate like the real one. And yeah, it's very thick, guys. Just look at that. And yeah, guys, it's not burstable. Very sorry, but yeah, now the recent base that I am creating, it's actually burstable. So here it is, guys. Here's my Dron Sword with the 360 ratchet and with the bait attack. Anyway, guys, so here it is, guys. Look at that. Okay, let's just keep it here. And then we have Hils Chain balance type. So yeah, in that time, guys, I didn't know the accurate size. So yeah, the bays are looking pretty much huge. But anyway, here it is, guys. Look at that. Hils Chain with 460 and the balance bit. Okay. Then we have Cobalt Drake, and unfortunately, guys, I just lost the bit. I don't know. Well done. I don't know what it is. So here it is, guys. Cobalt Drake. Not that much good, guys, because you know at that time I told you guys I was not that much professional. But yeah, now I have improved so much, and you can really see, guys, my improvements anyway. Next, guys, we have Wizard Arrow. Here it is, guys. Wizard Arrow with the 460 ratchet and also with the ball bait. Okay, and yeah, pretty much thick, guys. Almost, guys, I created these Beyblades almost 9 or 8 months ago, I guess so. Next, guys, I have a custom Beyblade, and that is, guys, Achilles, and I also lost the bait, guys. I don't know where it is. I will find it somewhere someday. Anyway, guys, so here it is, guys, the Achilles Beyblade X version. Just created a custom Beyblade, and yeah, the design credit goes to UV Craft. I just got it from there. And I also have a Valkyrie design, as you can see. I also lost the bit, guys. Very sorry. So here it is, guys. It's a Valkyrie Beyblade UX Bay. Then, guys, we have Bronze Spiral, the first ever plastic gen Beyblade I have created, a Beyblade X version of plastic gen. Unfortunately, I also lost the bit of this one also. Very sorry, guys. I don't know where's the bit, but here it is, guys. Here's the Beyblade, and yeah, this one is pretty much accurate, guys, because slowly by crafting, I slowly improved myself a lot. Next, guys, we have another one, and that is Dragoon. And here it is, guys. Here, this is actually Dragoon Beyblade X version. I don't know who created the design. I just got it from a video. Okay, and I also lost the pit. Very sorry. Then we have Shark Edge Beyblade, guys, as you can see. Okay, and yeah, this was a crazy Beyblade for sure. Really has a good attacking power, and it also comes with the 460 ratchet and also with the attack bait. I mean low flat bait, I guess so. Here it is, guys, Shark Edge. Next, guys, we have Night Shield, which is one of my favorite defense type Beyblade and really good color combination, and it also comes with the 360 ratchet and also with the needle bit. Okay, so here it is, guys, Night Shield, and yeah, guys, it's very stable, as you can see here. Next, guys, I have, and that is actually Leon Claw from Team Zuganic. Wow, guys, this is one of the most craziest Beyblade I have ever seen, and the performance is also crazy, guys. And this is the first Beyblade that comes with the balance bit. I mean a pointy bit that's actually in here anyway. So okay, so here it is, guys, it comes with the 560 ratchet, or I think 580 anyway. So here it is, guys, 560 ratchet with the balance bit, and yeah, this is not actually burstable. Very sorry, guys, because in that time I didn't like to make burst Beyblade in Beyblade anyway. Next, guys, we have Hypertail. Not that much, guys, good color combination. I don't know, guys, the color looks pretty much faded, but still, here it is, guys, with the 560 ratchet, and also it comes with the ball bit, and yeah, it's not also burstable as well. Okay, let's just keep it here. And then, guys, I have Night Lens, and yeah, guys, this is also a very favorite defense type Beyblade for me. Also better than Night Shield for sure. And yeah, guys, very good color combination, and yeah, looks very cool, especially the face, guys. Look at that. And yeah, it comes with the 360 ratchet and also with the needle bit. Okay, no, actually it's actually somehow a needle bit, but not actually same like the bit of Night Shield. But yeah, anyway, here it is, guys, Night Lens. Next, guys, we have WBR Gale, and yeah, this actually looks like WBR. If you just colored it, if you just turn this into a purple color, it will definitely be a Beyblade X version of WBR. And yeah, it comes with the 560 ratchet and also with ball bait something. Okay, here it is, guys. Next, guys, we have Fenix Feather, which is actually the Bay of Burn Fujiyama, I guess so. So here it is, guys, just look at that, Fenix Feather. And actually, guys, this actually looks pretty much similar to Dron Sword. The design is very similar, guys. You can almost say it actually got copied from Dron Sword. And yeah, it comes with the same part that comes with Dron Sword, 360 and also the attack bit. Okay, so not that much big fan, but still looks really amazing, the feather look. Okay, next, guys, I have Phoenix Fall, which I have recently created, and very thank you, guys, for the support that you give in that video. And it actually comes with the 980 ratchet and also with a bit needle like this, the gear needle. Okay, so here it is, guys, Phoenix Skull, Zona. Anyway, next guys we have Rhino Horn, which is guys you can say one of the most smallest Beyblade in Beyblade X, and here's the bit guys, needle bit something. Okay, and it also comes with the 360 ratchet or 380 I guess so. And but guys, this bait really has a really good recoil for sure. Next guys we have this one guys, and this is actually Unicorn Sting, which I recently created guys, and it comes with the 560 ratchet and also with a balance gear bit. Okay, here it is guys, look at that. And guys, yeah, you can all this you can also call this Beyblade as Red Scyther, because yeah, it really has a shape like that Scyther. One side is actually attack type and the other side is a little bit, you know, balance type or smooth. I mean smooth actually, but yeah, this way is pretty much cool for sure. Really good design, not bad. And yeah guys, very sorry for my bad English, I'm not that much great in speaking English, so I'm just really trying my best to show explain everything I can. Anyway guys, next we have Hils Chain. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of this Beyblade. I mean, this is not actually good combo for Hils Chain, for a Beyblade like Hils Chain guys, as you can see. But yeah, the design is pretty much similar to Hils Scythe, not bad. And it actually has 5 contact points, as you can see, Hils Chain. And yeah, it also comes with the 560 ratchet and also with the balance bit, which actually different than the previous one. Okay, so let's just keep it. We have Dron Dagger, which is one of my favorite Beyblade guys in Beyblade X. And yeah guys, the design is really amazing. I just really like the design and also the side face of Dron. Okay, and guys, it comes with the 460 ratchet and also with the attack bit, which is different than the Dron sword bit actually. Okay, and yeah guys, pretty much good Beyblade, and it also has 6 contact points. Okay, and finally guys, we have Fenix Wing. This is actually the most favorite Beyblade of mine guys. I just love this Bey. This is one of the most craziest Beyblade I have seen in Beyblade X. Just love it guys. And it also comes with very epic combination, I mean parts. As you can see, the 360, I mean the 980 ratchet, and also comes with the gear flat bit, which is one of my favorite bits guys, as you can see. So yeah, Fenix Wing is my favorite Beyblade guys. Just love this Bey, and the design is just amazing guys in real life. Okay, anyway guys, so here's my all Beyblade X Beyblade guys, as you can see. And I also recently started making Beyblade UX Beyblades, and here it is guys, Drone Buster, just recently created guys. And thank you so much guys for the support, and subscribe for more.